Dear first become student, this is G. Mirza Atik, HOD, Department of Commerce. You are most welcome to this video record class. In this semester, I will teach you Human Resource Management. According to your first chapter is concerned, Introduction to Human Resource Management. Introduction, meaning, definition, objective, scope. These are the contents are there in your first unit is concerned. So introduction. Human resource is the most valuable asset of any organization. Planning of human resource is an important managerial function. So you already learned in your management subject. So the different functions of management here: planning, organization, coordination, and controlling. We already learned here. So planning is must and should that is needed for achieving the individual goals as well as the organizational goals here. That is very important one. On this context here, Peter F. Drucker, a well-known management thinker, he expressed his opinion. Our greatest asset is people. Most manager knows perfectly that all the resources. So people are the great and most valuable asset nowadays here. The peoples are the best utilized and little of human potential of any organization. We have to utilize properly to the human asset here for achieving the goals or objective is tapped and put to work here. The manager must treat the people with where he work as a resource to himself. He has to look to them for guidance regarding his own job here. A proper guidance that is needed, a proper supervision that is needed. Next, meaning of human resource management. Human resource management is nothing but management of people or managing the people. So that is human resource management. Human resource management is strategic approach here to acquisition, motivation, development, and management of the organizations. Human resource, it is a specialized field that attempt to develop programs and activities to promote the satisfaction and development of the needs of the individual here. So motivation that is very important here for satisfying the individual level goals and organization level goals, the needs and the objectives. Human resource management is known by different names here. It is also known as personnel management, manpower management, personal administration, and staff management. Next, definition of human resource management. According to Wendell French, the human resource management refers to the philosophies, policies, procedures, and practices related to the management of people within the organization. According to him, a human resource management refers to the a philosophy or policies or a procedure that is very important. A practices that is also very important here that belongs to the management of people within the organization. Simply we can't achieve the goals or objective here. For that purpose here, a training that is needed, a proper planning that is needed, or a procedure that is needed, a continuous practices that is needed. Second definition, according to Stephen P. Robinson, defined HRM as a process consisting of the organization, development, motivation, and maintenance of human resources. Third one, according to Michael Jusius, defined human resource management as the field of management which have to do with planning, organizing, controlling the functions of procuring, developing, maintaining, and utilizing the labor force so that the first objectives for which the company is established here. What? objective, what goal they have to fulfill, that is attained with the help of a human resource here, and economically and effectively that is utilized. Second, objectives of all levels of human resource are served to the highest possible degree here, whether it is a top level or middle level or lower level, that is served here the highest possible degree at highest level. Next, objectives of societies are duly coincided and served. So objectives of society is also very important one here. That is coincided and served. Fourth definition, according to Flepo, HRM is the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of the and procurement, development, and compensation, integration, maintenance, and reproduction of human resource to the end that individuals are organization and society objectives are fulfilled or accomplished here. So for that purpose here, planning that is needed, good planning, organization that is needed, coordination that is needed, direction that is needed to serve and achieve the objectives or goals. So thank you very much.